everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Hello, Kimball. How's it going?
Good.
Good. So, we've been doing some football pictures lately, huh? And you have a favorite wide receiver in football. Who is that?
Odell Beckham Jr.
Who exactly is Odell Beckham Jr.?
He's the person who does the one-hand catch the most.
The one-handed catch? What makes the one-handed catch so cool?
Because you have to catch it with one hand. That's what's hard about it.
He's a good, exciting receiver, huh? He went from the Cleveland Browns most recently to the which team is he on?
The Los Angeles Rams.
The Los Angeles Rams, okay. Well, let's draw Odell Beckham Jr. on the Los Angeles Rams, Funko Pop style for kids. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Get your black markers ready, and we're gonna draw our kind of right here find the middle in the top area right here. We're gonna draw the chin of Odell Beckham Jr. Here we go. Go down, curve around, and up. Big wide chin. Okay, do a little ear on both sides. Now we're gonna draw his big hair going up. So follow me, we'll go up and up. And now we're gonna connect that with kind of some bumpy hair styles. Got the bumpy hair and connect. All right, looking good, looking good. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna draw the neck, 2 short lines down and down to a triangle point. 1, 2. Okay, now let's do the shoulder pads. We're coming out of this chin area, we'll do 1, 2. Good. And we're gonna draw his chest down to his waist. Do that waist and come up there. Good. Now we're gonna draw the sleeves go angle down and touch the jersey right there. Okay. So next let's draw the legs. The waist, draw 2 straight lines down. We're gonna draw some short pants. Football pants here. Okay. 1, 2. And go up and down. All right. Do you like the Los Angeles Rams?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're cool, huh? We like all the teams, I think. We have our favorites, but we like to cheer on our favorite players. Okay, we're gonna do a couple little socks down here. And we're gonna do some big cleats. You ready to do some big cleats?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna tongue of the shoe, tongue of the shoe. Start over here, we'll do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and those are the shoelaces. We'll do the big shoe coming over and up. So we're doing cartoon style. It's okay that we have short legs and big shoes. This is a cartoon, not the perfect Odell Beckham Jr., huh?
Yeah.
And up. Now wide receivers, when they're running fast, they need big cleats, right, to dig into the grass so they can run fast. And we know Odell Beckham Jr. is one of the fastest runners. So we're gonna do some cleats. These are little U's. We're doing U for the cleats. Awesome, looking good. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go over here and do an arm. We're gonna do down and down. And we'll do an elbow. We'll go down and down. Okay, and his hand over here is gonna go over and over. We're gonna connect that wrist with a little kind of arch. Okay, we're gonna do his hand. This part might be a little tricky, so here's a thumb. Good. And on top we'll do a finger. Here's a finger, connect to the thumb. And behind there is another finger, just kind of hiding. Good. Let's draw the football right here, because Odell Beckham Jr. has sticky fingers because he can catch with one hand, right? So we'll do this big football. Like he's holding on to it. Because it just won't fall, his gloves are so sticky. Nice work. Looks awesome. Arm, arm, and an arch for that wrist. We'll just do his hand kind of sticking out. Thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. Nice work. Okay, so let's go up here and finish the hair out. So up here about, make a little dot, make a little dot. We're gonna connect. Stop about right there, because he has this little dangly like piece, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Okay. Draw it kind of down here. Connect. Dangly piece of hair. He's got bleached hair on top. It's like more blonde. And let's do some big cartoon eyes. We'll do a big circle right here. And another one on the other side, over here. Do another circle inside. We're gonna leave that little circle white and color these eyes. We're gonna fill them in with our black marker. Okay, well we've pretty much done what we need to do. We're gonna do the Los Angeles Rams white jersey and blue pants, and we'll give him some black cleats. What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll color in his hair, and we'll color in the beard, and we should be done. Should we do the beard right now?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna do mustache down to the beard. This beard goes up to the ear. This beard goes up to the ear. Okay? I'm gonna color that in black because that's what color the beard is. The chin beard is kind of dark. Okay. And actually up here, he has black on the bottom of his hair, right above his bangs. We're gonna kind of scribble, but stop right about where that dangly piece is. That's gonna be colored. Awesome. Okay, there's our outline of Odell Beckham Jr. Now we're gonna color this. We're gonna fast forward. Number 3, blue pants, black shoes, brown football. We'll color the skin and leave him kind of a bleached color. You ready?
Yeah.
Say fast forward.
Fast forward.